watch me do this nail set. I'm a beginner, so don't judge. Thanks for watching. So today I'm doing this nail tutorial, right? I am a beginner nail tech and I am trying my best to learn, girl. I'm putting this acrylic on here. I got this brush from Michael's and it is very huge, but it's okay because on the next video you will see that I have new brushes. Yes, I do. So guess what? Like, I'm doing this nail set. I'm very new to this. I got this dummy hand. And I'm really trying to do this, but I can do it better if I had, like, you know, a human form body, a real human, or myself. I actually do better with my own hands, which I will show in a video later along down the lines. But yeah, so you make sure you get a good feel, what is it? A bubble of acrylic. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. I did not go to nail tech school, but maybe I am saying this thing wrong, but watch me work my magic. So I'm using the acrylic, of course. I have the diamonds and I'm just sitting here doing my thing, girl, and hope this magic works. Like I said, I'm new to this and my YouTube channels. I got to get better at everything, but consistency is the key. We have to keep going strong. Yeah, so I'm almost done with this thumbnail, and once I get done with the thumbnail, you'll see the turnout in the end. Watch till the end because they turn out really, really, really beautiful. I think they do. Well, don't judge me again. So okay, so we're finishing up this acrylic with this big, huge brush. It looks like a paintbrush, doesn't it? But it's okay. It got the job done. Needed a little bit more mamar. What is that word called? I can't even think of that. You know, the acrylic, the stuff you use for the acrylic, whatever. So I'm mumbling in this video because this is my I'm gonna say first voiceover too. It seems like everything just first. But yeah, so now that we got that part out of the way, we almost done with this. This acrylic is just acting crazy. I'm still learning how to do this, guys, so yeah, bear with me. Gotta clean this brush so that acrylic will not stick. Okay, let's put these nails under the UV light. Do you see the shape? Do you see the shape? It's so cute, right? The shape is so cute. Even though it's a dummy hand, she was very, very stiff and didn't want to cooperate. If you look at my nails on my hands now, I actually did that set, so it's time to file and buff these things down. Okay, I'm using some real nice polish from the Dollar Tree, which was just like the beginner stuff. Okay, they're polished and look very, very, very well now. I'm not good with polishing, but we're gonna get better at that too. So yeah, now I put the diamonds on. Cute, huh? Even that got me speechless. Yes, with the diamonds on, I got those diamond shapes. I got all kind of shapes, and it's cute. It's really, really cute. That nail polish really didn't do it, but I think they're cute. Okay, girl, please. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.